Hello guys, we are gonna talk about the basketball updates today. One of the most highly anticipated basketball players for the next year's draft, he was instead expected to play last year in the basketball world. He played his high school days in LaSalle Green Hills, representing the junior high school team of the Benil Blazers in the NCAA. Years later, he moved to the US and played in Cathedral High School and Middlebrooks Academy in Los Angeles, California. Cathedral, nag-average siya ng 15.0 points, 4.3 rebound. Tulong siya para i-lead ang Cathedral High School team. Mag-rank number 9 sila. And most importantly, he helped lead Cathedral High School to the regional championship game. So, yun nagtawag sa State Final Four. Kasi syempre sa US, pag naglalaro mga players, hindi pwede katulad dito sa Pilipinas, isang liga lang, finals na kagad. Doon iba-iba dahil maraming teams, maraming schools, they were able to represent the state. Senior year naman siya, naglaro naman siya dito sa Middlebrooks Academy, where he earned a McDonald's All-American Game nomination and the PEC 6 Conference MVP Award. And na-lead niya ang Middlebrooks Academy to the regular season PEC 6 Conference Championship. Siyempre, nung time na to, pag nakapili ka ng nomination para makapaglaro ka sa McDonald's All-American Game, ito ay isa sa mga indications na you are one of the greatest players in the high school game in the US. Isa din sa nakakapagpataas ng draft stock ni Paras ay yung pagsala niya sa McDonald's All-American Game. Pero as far as we know, hindi nga siya napili dito maging part ng isa sa mga team. Nung college siya, he was ranked by ESPN as a 3-star recruit, while dito naman sa Rivals ay 3-star recruit din. While ang nagkakaiba lang dito, sa Scout.com, he was ranked as a 4-star recruit, which is one of the highest classes of recruits na may pag-asa talagang makapunta sa NBA. Nag-commit muna siya sa UCLA, si Kobe Paras, pero hindi siya nakapag-join. So, on July 18, 2016, the Creighton Blue Jays announced they had signed Kobe Paras. First Filipino nakapag-join sa program ng Creighton Blue Jays. Creighton, in 15 games, ito yung total stats niya. 20 points, 15 rebounds, and 70 total minutes on the floor. He scored the season-high 6 points in 12 minutes of action against Longwood noong December 9, 2016. If we are gonna compare a normal average player na kailangan maka-earn siya ng minutes in college, he was just able to log 4.7 minutes per game. So, nakita natin dito na bangko siya sa Creighton dahil hindi niya nagustuhan yung playing time niya. Nagdesisyon siya na mag-transfer sa California State Northridge Matadors noong May 9, 2017. But unfortunately, after 1 year when Coach Reggie Teus was fired from the program, Paras also decided na mag-professional career na lang siya. And on 2018, he announced na lilipat siya ng UP Maroons. But the problem is, during this time, kailangan talaga, kahit saang basketball team, is he need to be on a 1-year residency period bago siya mapaglaro sa UP Fighting Maroons. So, he was able to debut during the 2019 season, which was the UAAP Season 83. Unfortunately, the UP Fighting Maroons lost to the University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers in the Final Four. So, Kobe Paras po ay nag-sign sa Niigata Albirex ng Japanese B-League. Ang ganda-ganda nung isang debut niya dito kasi 25 points, 4 assists, and 2 steals. Pero syempre natalo. And after nun, nag-expire syempre yung contract niya sa Niigata. Nag-transfer siya sa Chiba. But unfortunately, he parted ways with the team during March 3, 2023. So ano nga bang inaasahan natin sa laro ni Kobe Paras? Si Kobe Paras po ay isang athletic player. His height is syempre 6'6", a small forward, pero yung laro niya dito sa Pilipinas parang power forward kasi here sa Philippines lower ang height na kailangan para sa power forward, center position. And dito natin mapapansin na gaano ka-importante yung exposure sa basketball ni Kobe Paras. And as we expected him na makapaglaro sa PBA eventually, we will eventually see him possibly this next year, sa next draft. Okay, so next player is